Hey YouTubers, I will show you how to get the minigun. Let's go to the beautiful place before we go to the minigun. So, here the pyramid, the highest pyramid, and there's a palace. Palace. There is a statue of the camel's toe. So, let's go to the minigun. We find the minigun. Wait a minute.
Lapit ka
In
na.
Las Venturas, we go to Las Venturas and find the minigun. Let's go.
Bangga.
Kung ikaw
Mali kang daan.
Yes, here we go to the minigun. We park our car. I apologize. Not in Las Venturas. No, Las Venturas have no minigun. Wait a minute.
Kaping mainit.
Okay, let's go to the rock shoe. It's a rock shoe. I don't know. But we go to the minigun first.
Mali ka na ng daan.
We get down first. Oh, here we go. We're going to
Bangga.
We're going to the minigun to get the minigun. Here we go. Come on. Together.
Huwag kang kakanta.
Here we go. There's the minigun.
Wala pa dyan.
Saan ba yun? Okay, let's go. We park first our car. We park our car there. So,
Rocket.
we walk. That's the minigun.
Bakit man nga sabi ko eh?
First,
We need a rocket man.
yes, let's type. We fly. And
There's is a minigun.
there's the minigun.
First.
There's the minigun. So, we
Tab.
we tap. We have the minigun.
This a minigun.
Here we go. Okay, let's go. Okay, goodbye,
Let's
YouTubers.
go down.
Goodbye, YouTubers.